Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome to day number 21. 11 days to go for me. So here's a picture that I'm using today. It's a picture of some holiday books and then it's the back side of day 20. So I don't have anything to think about here. So this can go here or here, actually, depending on what I think. And then I want to use wood veneer. I talked about that in my last video. And so I grabbed some things that I thought would be appropriate. Ordinary December Day, because this is going to be a story about the Christmas books I've been reading. I've added some Christmassy themed things in to my regular reading. And I've read a ton this year, so this is kind of exciting. So Ordinary December Day, good cheer, so cozy, and love this. So that's what I could do. I have two cards here. And this is a lot lighter than I tend to like. But it does have this dark here. And then I have this paper here to choose from for this spot. I actually like, because all the little tiny things here, to me, echo the tiny little ornaments and lights on here. And then, okay, for some reason, I like the photo here. So there's that choice. So I do like that. It's a little light. And the pink might not be okay with wood. Yeah, it's okay. Then there's this choice, which I do like. The reds are noticeably different though, but I do like that, a little more homespun, so cozy would make sense. And then I have this choice, which is the red star paper. And I really like that one. I think I like how it pulls the stars in here. So let's use that. So then let's back photos here. Back-to-back photos here. So it's fun. So I've been reading that. I read a book called In a Holidays. I have one like Adventures of Holly Chase, something like that. I can't remember exactly what that one's called. That's a young adult YA retelling of the Christmas Carol, but I believe that she actually does not reform. And so she has to like go to work for class. I think this actually has an up and down to it because these leaves are going in that direction. There's a specific leaf that I think makes it look. Okay. So we have that one, we have this one, and now we need this one. Does it matter if it goes this way or this way? It looks more, yeah, it actually looks more regimented going the other way. So I'm going to actually sacrifice a little bit of this paper. That's okay. I have lots of this 6x8 paper left from this year. It just always amazes me. I think I just talked about this. Like, one of the reasons I want to use some wood veneer in here is I haven't been using that much this year, and sometimes that's all I use. I've been using a lot of stickers this year. Feels like more than kind of I normally have. Okay, so I did try this currently at one point, thought about that, and I decided that wasn't it. Okay, so now I definitely want to get this Ordinary December Day in here. Ooh, I do need to get a number. I don't like it there. That's okay. Maybe that. So cozy, because they're cozy little things there. I like that idea. I do need to get a number on here as well. And this is day 21, right? Oh, let's do it in this big green elf. I used this on day 16, I think. Oh yeah, and yeah, let's use that as a shelf for this to rest on. And this wood veneer is the Color Cast Designs. It does have a backing to it, which is really nice. I'm gonna pop this up here, and then that 21 can sit just above it, and I think that should sit outside the pocket just because it's so thick. It does weird things. It warps the pockets a little bit eventually. I've been doing this long enough to kind of know that it does that, which that's fine. I mean, that's not the worst thing in the whole world, but okay. Hey, awesome. And then this guy, you could pop right along there. Oh, back in the pocket. And then this one I'm not going to put on because I need to journal. And then I'll put it on once I'm done journaling, because I had to take the what do I say? That round circle from yesterday off after I put it on. So let's just do this. We'll do it this way. I'll journal with it on and be able to do that. I'm thinking this needs to come down a little bit. It felt like it was floating way above that. Maybe even over a little bit too. Oh, I love the way that looks because I didn't know what I was going to do with that open pocket. Okay, cool. So I used another 3 pieces of the wood veneer, which was part of my goal. Have the number down, simple, easy to tell, list the books that I've read so far and what I'm planning on reading. So, all right, you guys, that's day 21 in books. We're on to day 22 tomorrow. Bye, everybody.